So we're gonna do the review for the Revlon. Let's see. Let me close this box because it's on the way. The Revlon. It's a pretty big box, and inside comes the brush, and it's pretty big too. It's almost like my size, almost the size of a face, literally. So big, huge. So my hair's wet, and before I turn it on, I'm gonna tell you, last time I took it off from the box to see how it looked and everything, and that it worked before I made it, like before I record my video. So it did, and the thing was on. So I was like, does this thing come already? Like if you plug it in, it turns on by itself, and you know you cannot turn it off. But then I seen on the back of the brush, I don't know, hopefully you could see it, the back of the brush, it has the little thing to slide it. I don't know if you guys can hear. Actually, you could slide it here, or you could slide it here in the side. And it has off, cool, low, and high temperature. And yeah, I was like, where's the thing to turn it off? Like it was on the whole time, and it's pretty loud. Let me tell you guys, pretty loud. So I'm gonna connect them. Make sure it's off. Yes, it is. Okay, so it's off. Already connected. Every time I take a shower, I put shampoo and conditioner, and this is the trick that I do. Every time I put conditioner, you know, like half of my hair all the way to the bottom, to the tips of my hair. Then when I put it, I leave it on like for 3 minutes. Meanwhile, I wash my face or like exfoliate my body or anything that I do, right? After that, then I wash my hair, take out all the conditioner, and then I grab a little bit, like maybe 2-3 drops of more conditioner, and I put it halfway down my hair and leave it there. I don't wash it at all. I just leave it there because it's been helping my hair a lot. My hair, it felt like so dry. Like when I tried to brush it, it was really difficult. It was like really hard for me to like detangle my hair. But after I been using that trick, I've been loving it, and I think my hair loves it too, because it's like soft throughout the days. And normally I wash my hair every 3 to 4 days, or my hair gets so oily, then I do wash it, but normally I don't wash it at all. Okay, so this is the one that I've been using for right now. Hopefully you guys could see. I'm so sorry for the light. It's Cake and Natural Luxe Beauty. It's dry styling oil. It's for dry hair reviving, weightless repairing, and does it all styling. So it's a spray. So I just go like this. Oh, it smells so freaking good. It smells so good. And I spray it like this. Not a lot, because it's an oil, and I don't want my hair to be oily throughout the days. I grabbed this brush. This is from Revlon. I've been having this like almost a year or so. I just brushed my hair when I came out of the shower, so it's spray, and then I just do this. And sorry if I'm looking this way, it's because I'm looking at the mirror. I feel like I tried for my hair to dry, air dry most of my hair. Guys, usually my hair takes like 2 hours, 2 hours and a half for my hair to completely dry. Like, it's crazy, but it is true. I have a lot of hair, and my hair is so thick that it takes a long time to dry. Right now, I'm just telling you what I do before I'm gonna blow dry my hair. Sometimes I just blow dry my hair with a blow dryer, and then I go with the styling tool, whichever, if I'm gonna do it straight or if I'm gonna do it curly. And then there's I have another one I'm gonna show you guys, or maybe I'll make another video how I straighten in my hair. Normally I blow dry my hair, and then I use it's a brush, it's a straightener brush, and it really works for me. I've been having that for almost 2 years. I want to say 2.5. I even like it better than the straightener, because normally I straighten my hair, or sometimes I curl my hair, and that's my two go-to stylings that I do, unless if it's something special, like on a special occasion, then I do something else. But normally that's my go-to style. So I'm gonna part my hair. And mind you guys, I have a lot of hair. So it takes a freaking mission for me to dry my hair or to style my hair. It takes probably like 30 minutes, I think, for me to style my hair. So I'm just gonna grab a clip and do the bottom pieces, and then I'm gonna go layers by layers if I like it or not. It's my first time trying this, guys. So let me brush my hair. So okay, let's see. It's pretty loud, guys. So then we're gonna go with the cool setting to set the hair. I like it so much. It made my hair like so straight and not frizzy at all. So it's not even puffy. It's so nice, so straight, so soft. I really like it. It's so gloomy. Sorry guys for the light. Done with this section, and now I'm gonna do the crown, and I'm gonna tell you how I do it. I brush it out. I put my hair down towards my face. I start from the back. From this side I start and then go forward. So maybe because the brush is so big and so good that it amazed me that how fast it's drying my hair. And normally with the blow dryer and the brush, it was a chaos, like seriously, because you gotta be grabbing the brush and then blowing your hair, and then it's a lot of work, guys, a lot of work. And I wasn't a big fan of that, so I always blow dry my hair. Sometimes I will rotate blow dryer or air dryer and then I'll style my hair. But this, guys, bomb.com. I think I'm gonna be using this very often. Oh, and because the head of the brush, it's bigger, so it takes bigger pieces, so it's easier to dry your hair. Even work, guys, a lot of work. and I wasn't a big fan of that, so I always blow dry my hair and then, or air dryer, one. Sometimes I will rotate blow dryer or air dryer and then I'll style my hair. But this, guys, bomb.com. I think I'm gonna be using this very often. And oh, and because the head of the brush, it's bigger, so it takes bigger pieces, so it's easier to dry your hair even faster. And sections, so grab a section and let's do it. Okay guys, so this is the final result. My hair is so soft and I actually like it, and it's way easier than the brush and the blow dryer, and it's even better. So I did blow dryer and straighten it at the same time, so that's a big bonus right there. And oh my god, I really do recommend this, the Revlon blow dryer brush. It's so amazing, so good, love it. Oh my god, so amazing. My hair is so soft and it has some shine. It's amazing. Like, I really like the final result and I really do recommend it. Oh my god, I cannot stop like staring at my hair and playing with my hair. Well, I do recommend it for you guys to try it out. And now that the holidays are coming up, I think it will be a perfect gift for you guys to buy and give for a gift for Christmas. I really love it and I really do recommend it. And it's a big brush. You could dry your hair even bigger sections than usually with the brush. So yes, I love it. It's amazing. I love this brush. Seriously, everywhere I go, it's like, it's so handy. It's so like, actually not as heavy as the blow dryer. So imagine just blowing the weight of the blow dryer and the brush. I think this is amazing, and you only gotta use one hand, not both of your hands. So I think it's a good investment for ladies, for your hair. So I do recommend it. And yes, I love it. So let me know guys what you guys think. Please comment down below what you guys think, and if you try it, let me know. And if you guys like it, and if you guys didn't like it, let me know. I still want to hear your thoughts on the brush on the comment section, if you like it, if you didn't like it. But yeah guys, oh my god, I love it. It's amazing. It's amazing, my hair. And so please subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. Please subscribe, help your girl out, you know. And other than that, tomorrow is Thanksgiving, so I just hope you guys you guys have an amazing dinner with your family, an amazing day. And I'm so thankful for my subscribers that I have right now. I'm so thankful for you guys, and I'm so thankful for my family. If you guys like the video, please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. And if you guys would like, please recommend this video to anyone that would love this review of the Revlon blow dryer brush. And yes, comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this review, and let me know if you guys have tried it and what are your thoughts about the blow dryer brush. But yeah, this is the final look.